Welcome. You're watching ARH's How-To video series. The first steps with the License Manager, including how to launch it and an overview of the user interface. The purpose of these videos is to present to you the functionality of the License Manager. Please note that these videos are intended for users of Carmen engines version 9 and above. Whether you need to upload a new license, update an existing one, or delete all licenses, you can do that with the help of the License Manager. After watching these videos, you'll be able to easily manage your Carmen licenses. After installation of Carmen, you can find the Quick Launch icon of the License Manager in the Start menu under the ARH Inc. folder. Successfully launching the License Manager will display its user interface. On the user interface, you can distinguish three frames: the top frame named Static Licenses, the middle frame named Dynamically Uploadable Licenses, and the bottom frame named Upload Licenses. Static Licenses frame is used in case of licenses which cannot be changed on the hardware key. With a few exceptions, this is the case for all engines version 8 and below. All users of engines version 9 and above will manage their licenses through the middle and bottom frames. In the middle frame, named Dynamically Uploadable Licenses, there are two fields. In the New License Storage Devices field, those hardware keys are displayed, which are currently connected to your computer and onto which you can upload the license files yourself. In the Licenses field, the licenses that are present on the attached hardware key are shown. Since at this moment there is no hardware key attached, both fields are empty. In order to demonstrate the display of the attached hardware key and the display of the licenses that are on the hardware key, I now attach a hardware key to my computer. Notice that a line displays the attached hardware key in the New License Storage Devices field, and a line appears in the Licenses field, which identifies the only and single license which is on the hardware key. When you remove the hardware key, both fields are cleared. Let us also explore the bottom frame, Upload Licenses. This is where you can select the licenses that are stored on your computer and that you want to upload onto the hardware key. The functionality of this frame will be explained in the How to Upload Licenses video. At this point, what you need to keep in mind is that if your system is running Carmen engines version 9 or above, you will manage your licenses through the functions provided by the middle and bottom frames, Dynamically Uploadable Licenses and Upload Licenses. Thanks for watching. For more videos, check our channel and don't forget to subscribe.